All right, I'm here with Erica and Jerry, the winners of our 2015 Chevy Silverado High Country Duramax Diesel. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Aaron,
thank you so much.
Erica, getting tongue-tied here. Erica actually bought, I believe, that shirt there.
Yep.
When I called, I was like, man, I hope they know they won this thing. She was a little timid at first, but I think they realized what they got now.
Yeah.
So pretty awesome. Our first big giveaway. These are our first winners. And from the sounds of it, I mean, you said you got a diesel already, so
Yes,
you're going to replace this with that. And
Yep.
so, I mean, it's freaking awesome. It's going to be going to Michigan. What are you going to do with it?
Keep it out of the weather first.
Somebody told me that. I talked to a buddy of mine. I'm like, it's going to Michigan. He lives there, and he goes, that thing's going to be rusted out in like a year. I said, don't say that. Come on, man.
No, it'll be in the barn. We'll keep her clean and, probably at least get some traction bars on it and go from there.
That's
Use
awesome.
it and enjoy it.
I love to hear it. I wanted to go to someone that really enjoys it, and from what you've told me so far, you already got a diesel, you got a shop, you get to mess with stuff. She said you're always out there, so
Yep.
I mean,
We
it's
got
pretty.
the hoist and barn, and if we're not wrenching on something, we're breaking something one way or the other.
I love it. Well, hopefully you're not wrenching on this too much. Hopefully you're not breaking it too much, but if you guys want to check it out, I mean, kind of already seen it externally, but if you guys want to look at everything inside, and I mean, it's got a good gift for you guys right here on the center console. This is the title, and here is the $5,000 cash that you guys will get for basically
so much.
helps cover taxes and stuff like that.
Yes, sir.
So sign this thing away, and you guys will be on the road. This thing will be back to Michigan in a couple days.
Yes.
But I mean,
Thank you so much.
no
Yeah.
problem. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I know we've enjoyed it. It's been a fun truck, and it's really awesome. Our first giveaway. It's done. It's gone. It's been a while. I know a lot of people have been asking us, when are they going to take it? What are they going to do? Well, they just getting the right weekend to come down and stuff. I've been gone a lot. They had some stuff going on. So finally, we're able to link up, and they are picking it up. It's going home.
I told them if they were interested in the yellow one instead, I could probably make that deal happen.
Oh, really? Yeah.
They said no.
Straight up trade?
They said
That's
no.
Not, I mean, I like where you're going with it.
You know that thing already drove from Texas.
Now, I got to ask, though, is this her truck? Or is it,
I offered to give her the $40 back, but she's kind of not agreeing to those terms yet. So I'm working on it. I also offered to let her drive the old red one, and I'll try this one out for a while. But
Well, you want to make sure it's good for
her
her.
truck then.
Yeah.
Hey,
so far,
that's awesome.
we'll see how it works out.
So we have a first female winner as far as I know. That's the first one I know of. So.
Isn't that cool?
Super nice. No, this is so awesome. Take care. Have a good day.
Have a good trip, guys. Off to Michigan it goes. Shop truck is out of here. Gonna miss it. Been a good truck.
So Justin told me to come out here and wait. He says he's got a surprise for me. I hope it's some new beef jerky since he was so rudely destroyed my beef jerky in Louisiana. But we'll see. Who is this? Oh! This is my surprise? You bought me a new truck for ruining my beef jerky in Louisiana?
It's not really a surprise for you.
Oh.
I mean, it kind of is, I guess. I actually already got a little dirty. I had to go down a dirt road on the way home. Love bug season. But guys, this is our new JH Diesel shop truck. We obviously gave away the blue one, and we wanted to upgrade, get a newer truck, make it a little nicer, and this is what we ended up with. Found a pretty good deal on this. About an hour away, and yeah, freaking awesome. 2020 GMC Denali package with pretty low miles on it. All in all, really clean truck. One owner, bought at one dealership, traded back into the same dealership. We got on the lot. Certified GM vehicle, so it comes with extra warranty. So everything's been done through GM. There really hasn't been much work done to it. Guy put tires on it as far as the Carfax goes. And other than that, it's been pretty nice. So check it out. 2020 GMC. Pretty nice interior. It's a little different. Normally the Denali's are black. This one's got like a blue and like a dark brown, which actually looks pretty good. I like it. I was a little skeptical on it, but dang, this thing got dirty.
Yeah, I think it's probably considered that's gray and brown.
Gray and black.
Yeah, gray
Well,
and brown.
brown.
Gray and brown
Yeah.
is what I would say.
But either way, a little bit of an upgrade. It's got a roll lock. I don't think it actually works that great. But either way, it's got that tri-coat white metallic on it, which is freaking awesome. And the engine, obviously.
It's a gas motor, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Is that Dynamax?
L5P Duramax diesel.
Woo. Here I was thinking you bought me a new truck. You bought yourself a new truck.
Well, I bought us
Oh,
a
the
new truck.
shop.
It's for the
Yeah.
shop. So who knows? You know, maybe one day.
Look at
this
all
will
them love bugs.
One day this will be somebody else's truck. Maybe if they watch the channel enough, we'll see.
Oh boy.
Let's go take this thing for a spin.
She's clean. It's a pretty truck. Wee, this thing rides nice.
Dude, it is really nice. I like it. My 15 was great. I love that truck. Oh, buckle up. I love that truck. It was great. But, you know, after we gave it away, I wanted to do something a little different. So we went with a GMC instead of a Chevy. And obviously went a little newer. But this one is bone stock as of right now. Nothing done to it. The L5Ps are pretty good. They're pretty reliable. They don't have a lot of issues. So I'm not really worried about having to do like a CP3 conversion and stuff like that, which was already done on my last one. But this thing's should be pretty stout. I love my, I had a 2020 dually, and then I've not had a single wheel. So it'd be really cool to have a single wheel and play with it and make it look really good how I want. So everything else I own is usually a dual. Well, you know, the first thing that we got to do is we have to see if it does a burnout. I mean, obviously, it has to do a burnout if it's our truck. So we're about to go test that out right now.
Well, you think she'll do it?
I think it's got it. Let's see.
Let's see it. It's the smell of freedom, if I've ever smelled it. This thing blows the tires off, no problem. It wasn't even spooled up. Like nothing. Like nothing. Posi every time, too. Yes, sir.
My dually, my 2020 dually didn't quite do it that good. It would kind of take a little finesse. This thing ain't much finesse to it.
This thing's posi every time, both times it's been posi. I bet this thing would whip some serious donuts.
Just a donut?
I bet it would.
I bet it would.
You know, I did just realize we are down a burnout truck right now. We got Connecticut coming up. I mean, did you actually buy this to be the burnout truck?
Absolutely.
Is that what
not.
you did?
Hell no. This thing's way too nice, man. But one burnout contest probably wouldn't kill it.
Yeah, and it probably won't be too nice after it.
Yeah, it probably wouldn't be the best of our interest to do that. Jeez. That'd be not ideal.
It would probably be the nicest burnout truck ever on the pit.
Most luxurious with the air conditioner on, the cooled seats, just chilling, just doing burnouts.
Just wall tapping and whatnot.
No, that's probably the only burnout we're gonna do with it. But from here on out, we're gonna make this thing look a lot nicer. We got big plans with it: lift kit, wheels, tires, good steps, that kind of stuff. I really want it to be a nice, clean truck. And then, you know, you never know. We might own it for a bit. One of you guys might own it after. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But otherwise, all in all, I think it was a solid purchase. Thing's super clean, rides great, everything's good, and hopefully it treats us well for the next little bit of time we got it, and treats us with respect. You know, I'll do the same to it.
Yeah, it smells like rubber in here.
It does smell like rubber.
Very disrespectful. It's like my beef jerky.
We're here in the shop today, messing with a cool little project. Justin, what you doing there, bud?
Oh, just checking the oil, getting these old girls primed up and ready.
So this is actually Cleet's mower that I've confiscated because apparently there's a big mower race in town this weekend.
We also have a towing yard. If you leave your stuff, it gets impounded.
Yeah, it's basically impounded now. This is ours. So, you know what? Take that tow truck, shove it, you know where.
This thing's ready to go. I've lowered the seat for you. I moved the battery. Got you in a little
weight distribution.
Lower center of gravity.
Now this thing you said fired right up and ran, right?
Yeah.
Well, let's see what it can do, because we got a race tomorrow that apparently some built mowers are showing up to. And you know what? I'm leaving the old gray one, I think, at home because I kind of messed it up after the jump. But I think this one will do. Well, make it. It is. Oh, yeah. You gotta go that way. You gotta go see this thing run. See if she still got it in her. Oh yeah, that's a rocket ship. I probably should test drive this thing. I haven't even drove it. Could get very interesting, very bad, very quickly. Goodness. You gonna hit the gas? It's quite, I didn't even know you hit, did you ever hit the gas? No. It's pretty fast, huh? Oh yeah, dude, everybody's done. So now Justin, he's gonna get the other mowers out and hopefully get them dialed in, ready to go. So Team JH can go out there and let's take a W. I want you on the other mower taking number 2. Taking number 2, I'll take it number 1.
That's what we're gonna try for. We'll see about that. I really don't like these things.
The mowers are so sketchy. I love it. Let's go. Dude. Justin got us dialed in again. Mowers are ready.
We'll see.
I got my loaner mower. Stole from my boy Cleet.
Did some modifications to it.
We got Lee's mower. We got her freshened up. We got Cole Hudson's mower, which is actually your mower. And then we got the race machine with some flat tires right now. I may have to fix that up before we get there. But they're all running as of right now, so that's a plus.
This one here's got no honey dipper on it.
Oh, buddy. Just kind of a little reuse of parts. Just reverse it.
I put some parts on here for you guys.
I like it. I like it. The whole thing just tweaks. Well, let's get these mower races, see if there is anything good. I heard there's 12 mowers there already.
I heard there's going to be 20 plus mowers.
That's what I hear. Well,
doesn't matter. There's only going to be one winner.
That's it right here, buddy. To bringing that thing home.
Like always, bringing home the W's.
Absolutely. Unless we crash. That could happen.
Because we showed up, he was like, well...
Did you hear? Yeah, we showed up.
I was hoping they weren't going to show up.
Remember, we already raced them once and literally made a fool out of them, so... Are y'all loading this one back up? You're loading it back, you guys. Just because we pulled up doesn't mean y'all got to load yours up. We're trying to race. Unbelievable. How y'all? You own 5 dairies? Is the best mower you come up with?
We had to borrow this from the neighbors.
My mom said she
They're going to mow the church on Monday, so I'm going to have it back.
My mom called me and said, who took our mower? I said, I don't know anything about that.
Don't
worry about that. Oh, man. Got a lot of mowers out here. Let's go check this track out and see how it is. All right, we're going to go out and give us a practice run, see what happens. We haven't rode this track yet, and I don't know, apparently there's a lot of mowers here, so we'll see. He went and built his whole mower up.
Yeah, he ain't even got no gas pedal. Look.
Oh no! Hey, we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Alright, I think this will be it. Alright, they're about to go green. See how this goes here. I think they're going green right now. Goodness. We got a wreck. We got a wreck. We already got a wreck. Yep, I missed that. Dang it. Oh, he's coming back. Oh no. I don't know where he's going. The race of survival here.
I was gonna say, I think it might just turn out to
It's
whoever.
a race of survival. Oh! He's going for it. He's got the jump. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, we got the jump all day. I didn't realize it was that easy. All right. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know what lap we're on. I don't know who's winning. I think this guy's winning. I think that's second. I think that's third. Not sure. I think this is it. There's your winner right there. That's your winner. I think this is second. I don't know if that's third or that's third. Honestly, I have no clue. So we got the second heat getting ready to kick off. They're on their pace lap. Got 3 heats and then a main, I guess. A couple of these guys were at the last one we did at Justin's house, and there's a whole lot of new ones. So let's see how it goes.
Heat 2, right?
Yeah, this is the second heat.
We're heat 3, so I think they got one more little lap to go, and then I'm hoping that they might be sleepers back here in the back. Will you?
You never know.
You never know.
The green one, if nothing else, it's probably going to make the whole
Well,
thing.
they're about to start, so
There they go. They're getting ready to come across the start-finish line. There they go. Oh, easy old silver bullet. He immediately went right for the jump. We got one out already. We got 2 more that are. Yeah. I don't know, them other 2, you don't never know. That might be the winners.
it might be. You never know.
They didn't opt for the jump that time. Oh, we got her in high gear now.
We got her up in high.
Oh yeah. They're racing each other, it looks like.
Hey, they're racing for third.
Yeah.
You know? I mean, one of them is going
For
to
sure.
qualify. Got in the jump. We need to shove a mower right here so they all
Yeah.
have to hit it. Oh, there you go.
There he goes.
So the silver bullet get lap before
Getting
we're done.
ready to.
Oh, that's it.
He's got him in this corner. He's got him. Oh, that was the end of it. So you got your first, second, and one of those two guys is third. What about this?
Feeling pretty good. We loosened the steering on this thing last night because it was just so tight. So so it doesn't have much steering, doesn't have any brakes. I think we got it.
Yeah, that's what you
Don't
told
hit
me
brakes.
you wanted.
Don't ever hit brakes during the race.
You told me that's
We
what
saw
you
what
wanted.
happened in Indy when I did that. Hit the brakes and just hit the wall.
You said loose is fast, so
Yeah,
I
loose
made
is fast
everything
on the
loose.
edge of out of control.
Made everything loose for you.
That's it.
Oh, you guys might recognize this one. Used to belong to another guy.
We're getting ready to kick him off. This is the third heat. This is the one that Justin's in.
They're coming around. Whoa, easy on the hay bale, old boy. There they go. When they come around, they're gonna be on it now, boy. This is gonna be a good one, I think, right here. Just lost the belt. Looks like it did. Doesn't seem to be getting in her as much as I thought he might. That's going to be your top three there. Spinning a tire, I didn't weld up the rear end in it. Whoa, we got a hay bale.
I felt her starting to really.
Oh yeah.
I was doing everything I could, but uh-oh.
Looks like we got some mowers to repair before the next one.
Yeah, we got a couple mowers to get ready for the next race here.
I got one extra set of belts.
Yeah, that one cooked pretty good. That was that thing. We never changed the belt. That was from that night, right? So these turns are a lot tighter, so I'm having to slow way down and maybe if I just stay on the outside. But
Wow. The little mower you gave me, I don't know what happened. What'd you do? You didn't like the jump.
oh God.
He almost bucked off the front of it.
Oh, yeah. Let's just say 270 was not quite fast enough.
Alright, so we got the loser bracket. Justin's in the loser bracket. The red mower failed us, so we got the gray one fired up. See how long that thing stays together. Put a fresh belt on it. It should be good to go. Cole's old mower still got that real small pulley on it. It's hard to keep that thing going. This, I'm not exactly sure what it is, honestly.
Semis?
I guess that's what we're going to call them.
Semi-finals?
I guess.
I also don't know where we're at right now.
It's six mowers, I think, or 5 mowers. The top 3 out of this one.
Top 3.
Yeah, top 3 out of this one, top 3 out of the next one.
Second one.
Then are the finals, I guess. I don't know. But we're going to watch anyways. Doesn't really matter what.
Well, we got the semifinals, which we made it into by getting the LCQ. And, you know, we're getting gloves on for this one. So gloves are going on for this one because, you know. Hey, I'm ready. I'll be out there in a minute.
All right, let's go.
I guess we gotta go. Whoops. Glove don't fit.
Here's the semi-finals. Bringing up the rear of the pack. Oh yeah, he's pulling off. Nope. Yep, there he goes. So when they come across the line, it'll be green flag racing. That's it. There we go. The end of the second round of qualifying. The next will be the final.
Oh, this is funny, you know.
Where's he at?
Hey,
Where's my? I want to give a big shout out to my teammate Grant for making me up. Hey, he's right here. That's my teammate, everybody. Let's go. Hey, nice block. Nice block. The block on that corner, I never got around him without it. So.
you gotta help him. I've got 2 screws.
Finals coming up. Faster mower is going to be starting in the rear. Still going from a roll. Well, no, there's one mower here pretty quick. 2 mowers here pretty quick.
You had a tough time getting around that one.
I don't think it's going to happen, but...
I think lap traffic is the only thing that's going to help you, or traffic,
Yeah,
I should say.
The thing is, his front end's pretty well built. He hits the jump like every time.
Yeah.
Yeah, my front end ain't that built, buddy.
Nope.
She ain't that stout. So, what happens here? 15 laps. So, 15 miserable laps on a mower with no suspension.
Sounds perfect. We just got our last competitor fired up. He's coming up the back here. I think before the next race, I'm gonna have to build a mechanic special mower. See if I can make something to compete with these guys. I got some ideas. I think something might entail some suspension a little bit. Been looking, they make a lot of go-kart parts, so. Right there in the front, the old blue hood, that's the honey dipper. Come around this time. It'll be green flag racing. Here we go. Whoa, easy does it. Kind of thought that's how first and second was going to start. Got some competitors that went off the track over there. There we go. Hey, that's a late entry, I believe. Be a quarter of the way or better through. It is getting rutted up. We got one off the track over there. Whoa, we got no honey difference. He's still heading around there. Corners are really getting rutted up. I caught a hay bale. There goes Justin for the jump. Oh, no problem at all. There goes Lee. Woo! No honey dipper made it. Yes, sir. why we can't have nice things.